Hello, children. Hope all of you are doing good. Okay, please concentrate on your studies. Whatever videos are coming to you, please go through it, read from your book, and write down the question answers in your notebook when you will get it. So, children, in your GSC, we have completed 2 lessons, and lesson 1 question answers also I have given to you. Please check it in my previous videos and write it down in your notebook when you will get it. Today, I will discuss your question answers of lesson 2. The beat question answers already I have discussed. Repeatedly, I am revising everything for your better understanding. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can tell me. I will try my level best to make you understand. So, children, you are feeling very bad that you cannot come to school. We are coming and teaching you through this online classes method. So, at your home, you stay safely and please listen carefully whatever your parents are telling to you. Okay, children? So, today we will discuss the question answers part of your lesson 2. And one more thing I want to tell you, when you are reading or writing anything, please try to understand it first. Don't by heart blindly. If you will not understand and only you will by heart, then it will be problem for you. Because you cannot remember it, you will forget, you will mix the answers with other questions. So first try to understand what is given in the question. Accordingly that you learn the answers. Then write it down in your notebook. Practice it repeatedly so that you can write easily without seeing your answers. So question number 1 is given. Differentiate between temporary and permanent sets of teeth. This is your 4-mark question. We don't know your exam will be held or not. Still you try so that if you will give exam, it will be not difficult for you to remember all things at a time. So we have learned 2 types of teeth. One is temporary teeth, another is our permanent teeth. Isn't it, children? Now, what are our temporary teeth? When a baby is born, he or she has no teeth. We have seen teeth? No. They start to appear around the age of 6 months. And a child has a set of 20 temporary teeth. These teeth are not constant, they will fall. Okay? And these temporary teeth are also known as your milk teeth. Next is our permanent teeth. Between the age of 6 and 12 years, milk teeth begin to fall. Once the temporary teeth fall down, what will happen? New teeth begin. You can feel this experience. Many children are going through this stage. So, these temporary teeth are now replaced by a set of 28 or 32 permanent teeth. So, you can write in permanent teeth, after 12 years, permanent teeth start to appear. These teeth remain till old age. An adult human has 32 permanent teeth. Then our question number 2 is, there are 4 kinds of teeth in a permanent set. Write their names along with their uses and location. Here children, as only you have to write the names, uses and location. No need to write all things. This is also your 4 to 6 marks question. So try to understand. This question I have already discussed in a video. If you have more doubt, you can go through it. So what are the types of teeth? Are our 4 types. First is incisors, second canines, then premolars and our molars. The front 4 teeth are our what? Incisor. And these incisors are used to cut and bite the food. Canines, these are used to tear the food. How many canines are there, children? 2 canines. Then 2 canines in each jaw. So total is our 4 canines. Then children, our premolars. We use them to crack and cross and chew the food. These are located next to our canines. And canines are located next to our incisors. Then our molars. These help in chewing, grinding the food. These are located next to premolars. Okay, children? Have you understood it? Okay. Next question is, what are the 2 main parts of a tooth? This part also I have discussed. The 2 main parts are our crown and root. Crown is the visible part of a tooth. It sits on the gum line. Okay. In crown what we have learned? Enamel, dentine, pulp was there. Isn't it? The hard white covering of the tooth is our enamel. It is the hardest part. Dentine is found below the enamel. It is yellow bone-like structure. And our pulp is inside our dentine. Your blood vessels are there. Whenever you are feeling tooth, these nerves will message to the brain. Then second part is our root. This part is present inside the gums. We cannot see it. This root is responsible for keeping the teeth in place and in form. The last question is, why is it important to take care of teeth? Okay children, you know that we should take care of teeth properly. We should brush twice a day. We should not take more sugar among food. We should not take more chocolates, outside junk food, etc. We should rinse our mouth, isn't it? We should do our dental checkup. We can eat more calcium and vitamin C rich food so that our teeth become strong. So, if we will not keep our teeth properly, if we will not take care properly, then so many problems will create. You will feel toothache, you cannot eat anything, you will feel weak. For that reason, it is important to take care of our teeth. See, if you will not take care of our teeth, what will happen? When we are eating food, children, the bits of food get stuck in spaces between our teeth. This thing we have felt. If we do not clean our teeth properly, we know that the germs and bacteria start breeding and form a sticky layer, that is our plaque. And when time passes, this plaque will react with the sugar which is present in the food and it will produce some acid. And this acid causes tooth decay. Okay? Means small holes will create in the teeth. These holes are our cavity. Once cavities are formed in your teeth, then you remember that you will feel so much pain. Okay? And you have to go to dentist. You have to take our teeth. For the reason, children, please take care of your teeth properly. Okay? And how will you take care? This is given in your book and I have already taught about it. So I have written in short, you can write this answer also. When we take food, bits of food get stuck in spaces between the teeth. If We will not clean our teeth properly. Germs and bacteria form plaque. Plaque produces acid by reacting with sugar present in the food and causes tooth decay. Then cavities are formed which are very painful for us. Okay children, these all are about your lesson 2 question answers also finished. Lesson 1, lesson 2 completed. Please read at your home. Next video you will go to our lesson 3. Okay children, hope all of you are fine. Take care of yourself. Thank you.